Good morning, children. I, Rajesh Kumar, going to take today's class, and in today's class, we have just continued the topic rational number, and in this topic, we have to learn today exercise 9.2, and in this exercise, we have to learn how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide the rational numbers. So, children, before starting this exercise, we just learn few important terms. That number one is additive, inverse. Number one is additive inverse. Additive inverse means, children, if we add any two rational numbers, their sum is 0. Their sum is 0. For example, if we add 2 upon 3 plus minus 2 upon 3. If we will add these two numbers, we will get 2 upon 3 plus minus 2 upon 3. The answer is 0. It means 2 upon 3 is the additive identity of minus 2 upon 3 and vice versa. 2 upon 3 is the additive identity of minus 2 upon 3, and the additive identity of minus 2 by 3 is 2 by 3. So, children, you only keep it in your mind what? The additive inverse of any rational number is the same rational number but with opposite sign. So, children, you should write down their definition. Sum of two rational numbers is 0. That is called additive inverse. Now, children, the next one, multiplicative inverse. Next is multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse. Children, multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse means the product of two rational numbers is 1. For example, this is 2 upon 3, and if we multiply this 3 by 2, the answer is 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3 is 1. It means 2 by 3, its multiplicative inverse its multiplicative inverse 2 by 3, its multiplicative inverse is its reciprocal, that is 3 upon 2. Multiplicative inverse of any rational number is the reciprocal of that same number. Understood, children? 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is one of the rational number, and its multiplicative inverse is 3 upon 2. Next, children. Third one is additive identity. Children, please check this. This is additive identity, and this is different from the additive inverse. Don't get confused. Both were different. That is, first one is additive inverse, and this is additive identity. This is what if we add 0 to any of the rational number, the answer is the rational number itself. There is no change in the answer. Minus 5 by 3 plus 0. The answer is minus 5 by 3. It implies that 0 is the additive identity. 0 is the additive identity of 2 by 3 and minus 5 by 3 respectively. Or you can say 0 is the additive identity for all the rational numbers. For all the rational numbers, 0 is the additive identity. If on addition there is no change in the number, the answer is the number itself, and that number that we are going to add on it is called additive identity. So this is only 0. If we were adding here 0, there is no change in the sum. 0 is the additive identity for all the rational numbers and for all the integers, you can say. Now children, we will do exercise 9.2. Question number 1. Question number 1 is find the sum. Question number 1 is find the sum. 5 upon 4 plus minus 11 upon 4. Children, first of all, here what we have? Plus sign, then this bracket. Bracket means multiply, and then this negative. The first step that we are going to do here, we have to remove the bracket according to BODMAS. Then remove it, it becomes 5 upon 4 plus minus. If we multiply plus by minus, we get minus. And this is what? 11 upon 4. Now children, you will check their denominators. Here the denominators are what? 4, 4. We have same denominator. If the denominator is same, we will write down denominator at 1, that is 4, and this 5 as it is minus 11. Then it becomes 5 minus 11 is minus 6 upon 4. Now bring this into simplest form, lowest form, or in the standard form as we have learned in the exercise 9.1. Both were divisible by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. So the answer is minus 3 upon 2, children. This is only you have to use when the denominators are same. Then you have to directly add or subtract according to the sign given. Now children, we will do the second part. And in the second part, what we have? 5 upon 3 plus 3 upon 5. Second part is 5 upon 3 plus 3 upon 5. Now look children, here we have to add the 5 upon 3 and 3 upon 5. But here we have what? Different denominator. So children, in this case, what we have to do? We have to find the LCM. LCM of the denominator, that is 3 and 5. We know that how to find their LCM. 3, 5. 1 3 is 3, 5 as it is. then 1 as it is, and 1 5s are 5. So therefore children, the LCM of 3 and 5 is what? 15. Now we will write down this 15 in the denominator, and the next step is what? We will divide this LCM by the first rational number denominator, that is 3. 3 5s are 15. Now we have to multiply this numerator by this quotient 5. Then plus, in the second step now, we will divide this LCM by the denominator of the second rational number, that is 5. Now it is 5 3 is the 15. Now this is what? Numerator is 3. Now this numerator is multiplied by the quotient of the second division, that is, here we have to write down 3. Now children, multiply. 5 5s are 25 plus 3 3s are 9 upon this 15 as it is. Now 25 plus 5, it becomes 34 upon 15. Children, this is your answer. 34 upon 15. Now children, we will do one more question of this question number 1, and rest of the part you will try by your own. Now the next part is third part is third part is 9 upon 10 plus 22 upon 50. 22 upon 50. Now children, here also you have to check. This is 10, this is 15. Denominators were different. Now here we have to find first LCM of 10 and 50. Now find LCM. This is 10, this is 15. Now both were divisible by 5. 5 2s are 10, 3 5s are 15. Now 2 1s are 2 and 3 1s are 3. So the LCM is what? 5 into 2 into 3, that is 30. 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30. So write down it in the denominator 30. Now same step we will follow. Divide this LCM 30 by the first denominator of this rational number, 10. 10 3s are 30. Now it becomes what? We have to multiply this numerator and this quotient. Then plus. Now again we have to divide this LCM by the denominator of second rational number. 15 2s are 30. Now we have to multiply this quotient by this numerator. Now we get 9 3s are 27 plus 22 2s are 44 upon 30. Now add this 27 and 44 become, you can add 27 44. 11 1 7. 71 upon 30. This is your answer. We can't bring this into lowest form because these are co-prime numbers. They are not divisible to one another. So keep this 71 and 30 as your answer. Now children, question number 2. That we have to do what? The same thing. Find or simplify. find question number 2. Find A part 7 upon 24 minus 17 upon 36. Now children, here what we have to do? We have to subtract. So children, the steps were same. First we have to find the LCM if denominators were different. LCM of 24 and 36. Try to find 24, 36. Both are divisible by 2. 12 2s are 24, 18 2s are 36. Then again by 2, 6 2s are 12, 9 2s are 18. Then again by 2, 3 2s are 6, 9 as it is. Then by 3, 1 3s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Then 1 as it is and 1 3s are 3. So the LCM becomes what? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. The LCM is 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 8 9s are 72. So write down this LCM as the denominator, 72. Now divide this LCM by 24. 24 3s are 72. Now multiply this 3 by this 7 minus. Now divide this 72 by the second rational number denominator, 2s are 72. Now multiply this 2 by this 17. You will get 7 3s are 21 minus 7 2s are 34 upon 72. Now it becomes, if we subtract 21 from this 34, we get 3 and 1. 13. 13 upon 72. And look children, this 34 is of negative sign. This is bigger integer, so sign carries of negative. Minus 13 upon 72. And both were not divisible, so keep this minus 13 upon 72 as your answer. Now children, we will do one more part of this type. Part second, 5 upon 63 5 upon 63, second part, 5 upon 63, then minus 6 upon 21. This is the second part of the second question. Now children, first of all we have to remove the bracket. It becomes 5 upon 63 minus becomes plus 6 upon 21. Now children, we will add here 5 by 63 plus 6 by 21. Now here also you can proceed by the same that we have learned in question number 1. That is, first check the denominator. Here denominators were different. Now we have to find their LCM. LCM of 63 and 21. Find their LCM. 63, 21, 3. 21, 3 is a 63 and 7 3 is a 21. Then again by 3. 7 3 is a 21, 7 as it is. Then 1 7 is a 1 7 is a. So the LCM becomes 3 into 3 into 7. Now it becomes 3 3 is a 9, 9 7 is a 63 is the LCM. So write down this 63 in the denominator. Now divide this LCM 63 by the first rational number denominator, that is 63. 63 ones are 63. Now we will multiply this numerator by the quotient of this, that is 1, plus, now we will divide this LCM by the 21, this 21. 21 3s are 63. Now it becomes 6 into that 3, it becomes 5 1s are 5 plus 6 3s are 18 upon 63. 18 plus 5, 18 plus 5 becomes 23 upon 63, and both were not divisible. They can't be divisible, 23 and 63. So 23 upon 63 is your answer. Now children, next we will do question number 3. Now question number 3 is what, children? Please look. Find the product. Question number 3 is find the product. Find the product means we have to multiply. Now children, look, the question number 3rd, part 1 is 9 upon 2 multiplied by minus 7 upon 4. Now children, if we want to multiply the rational number, you have to keep it in your mind. Numerator is always multiplied by numerator. Numerator is multiplied by numerator and denominator is multiplied by denominator only. Now multiply 9 7s are 63 plus minus is minus. 2 4s are 8. And they are not divisible, so this is your answer. Minus 63 upon 8. Minus 63 upon 8 is our answer. Now children, we will do the second part. Second part is 3 upon, second part 3 upon 10 is multiplied by minus 9. Now children, as there is no denominator, we can write down 1. 1 in their denominator. It is understood. Every number having 1 in their denominator. Now multiply, it becomes 9 3s are 27 minus plus minus 10 1s are 10. So children, this is your answer, as both were not divisible to each other. So this is minus 27 upon 10 is your answer. We will do one more part, children. Third part, minus 6 upon 5, 9 upon 11. Now again multiply, children. 6 9s are 54 plus minus becomes minus. Then 5 11s are 55. This is your answer. They are not divisible, so we will write down minus 54 upon 55 as the answer. Now children, try rest of the part by your own. After third, we will do question number 4. Question number 4 is what? Find the value. Question number 4 is find the value of. Find the value of. First part is minus 4 divided by 2 upon 3. Now children, look, here we have to divide. So children, don't get confused. Here what we will do, the first and the easiest way is what? Listen, you should change this sign division. Division sign is changed into multiplication. And you have to write down the divisor. This divisor is, you can change this into the reciprocal. 3 upon 2. And this is as it is, minus 4 upon 1. You can write down as it is. There is nothing to be different. Only you have to do what? You have to change this division sign into multiplication, and then you have to write down the reciprocal of the divisor. 2 by 3, it becomes 3 by 2. Now children, if they were divisible, you can divide it. Otherwise, you can directly multiply. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Now it's minus 2 into 3 becomes minus 6 upon 1 into 1. That becomes 1. Or you can simply write down minus 6 is the answer. There is no other formula of doing this. Simply just change the sign of division into multiplication and then write down the reciprocal of this divisor. Now we will do one more part of this question number 4, children. Second part is minus 3 upon 5 divided by 2. Second part. Same as we will follow 3 upon 5. Change this into multiply and write down the reciprocal of this divisor. It becomes 1 upon 2. Now, both any one of them divisible by this 2 or this 5 or this 3? No one. So you should multiply. 3 ones are 3 plus minus 2 fives are 10. So the answer is minus 3 by 10. And this is what in the lowest form already. You can't bring this into lowest form. Keep minus 3 by 10 is the final answer. We will do one more part. The third part we can do now. Third part is minus 4 upon 5 divided by minus 3. There is no denominator. You will write down 1 in the denominator. Now change this sign, multiply and write down the reciprocal 1 upon this minus 3. Now there is nothing common in between them except this minus sign. So we will cut this minus sign and we get what? 4 ones are 4, 5 threes are 50. This is your answer, 4 upon 50. Now children, what you will do rest of the part by your own. Okay children, thank you very much.